Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are with another episode of Selenium interview questions and answers for freshers and experienced. So let's get started. So our first question in this tutorial is list some of the test types that are supported by Selenium. So the answer for this question is functional testing, regression testing, sanity testing, smoke testing, responsive testing, cross-browser testing, UI testing, and integration testing. So these are the test types that supported by Selenium. Let's move to next question. What are the WebDriver supported mobile testing drivers? So this is one of the interesting question. So we are not familiar with WebDriver which is supporting to the mobile testing or not. So that supports some of the mobile testing drivers that are Android driver, iPhone driver, and Opera mobile driver. So these are the drivers which supported by WebDriver. So let's move to next question. What is the difference between find element and find elements? So this is one of the most used, for every identification of web elements we require these two methods, find elements and find element. So we'll see the difference between these two. So find element, it is used to find the first element within the current page using the given locating mechanism, and it returns a single web element. So it's not related to the multiple elements. When it comes to the multiple web elements, then we can use the find elements. So find elements, it is a user to given, it is used to given for the locating mechanism to find all the elements within the current page. It returns the list of web elements. So there in find element we return only single element. Here in find elements it provides the list of web elements. So when it comes to finding any list of items in the web page, like a drop down or like a form kind of pictures, then we can use this find elements, where we can group all the checkboxes, radio buttons into one find elements. Let's move to next question. How can we get a text of web element? So this is also one of the very used method. So get command is used to retrieve the data from the inner text of the specified web element, and this command does not require any parameters but returns a string value, and it also one of the extensively used command for verification of messages, labels, errors, etc. displaying on the web page. And the syntax for this get text is we have driver.find elements by .xpath id, whatever locator we are using, .get text. So that get text will get the exact text which is available for that web element, and we can store that value in the string format, and later we can use it in assertion purpose or printing into console. So let's move to the next question. How to type a text in a text box using a Selenium. So we have a text box concept and we need to type something. How can we do this in the Selenium? User can use a send keys. So this send keys accept the string to be entered, and to enter the string in the send text boxes we need to use driver.find element, and whichever locator we are using for those respective text box we need to use a send keys, and the send keys accept the value like string characters, and these send keys will send the data character by character. It will not send entire data at the time, but it will send character by character if you see in depth of that send keys. So this is not much required, but this is an added information that send keys will send the information character by character. I hope this session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and please share your questions in my comment section.